Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to make another short story about my future plan. So here we have on the screen my future plan, and I'm going to give you some clues and points out of which you can make a good short story using your own thoughts and idea. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and those who are new to our channel, I would request them to start from the very first lecture so that they can learn English skills step by step. And by this method you can bring confidence into your speech, into your text, into your English communication. So here we have first set of clues or points, we can say. You can expand these points and make a short story using your own thoughts and ideas. Earlier in our earlier lectures we made one more short story about what will I do next Sunday, and in this lecture I'm going to give you points for my future plan. So if we consider each point over here, we can mention about our present activity and what we are going to do after completion, what you want to do, what you want to start a job. It can be a job or business or something, your profession. It could be a social work as well, or it could be a task or project given by school or college. You might become a successful person and you can earn name and fame. How? But you have to elaborate over it, that how you gonna do it. The highest priorities while doing all these things, what you are going to focus on, and what you could become and what you would become, along with what you are going to do with a solid plan that you are going to make first of all about your business or profession. I'm going to you can write down these points in your note by pausing the lecture, and I'm going to the next screen for more points and clues to discuss about the short story of my future plan. And here we have the first point, knowledge of the field. How you are going to get the knowledge of the field before you start or initiate anything. You must be taking advices and feedback from experts. These vital information would be coming through the meetings and get-togethers. You would learn lessons and you would continue your efforts. And obviously the vital thing is, the most important thing is parents' guidance. Obviously they are the biggest well-wishers. So we would do that as well. And while in your future, while excelling your career and doing well in your life, it must be within the framework of ethical practices. You would be earning money. How you are going to earn money, nature's care as well, other activities, something good, more and more trees, secured future. So all these things would be in your mind while creating a short story, and you try to expand all these points very well using the grammatical skills that we have learned in our earlier lectures until now. So I hope these points will guide you to create a very decent short story in which you can apply the things that you have learned on our channel, different tenses, the variety of grammar structures, the rules and regulations of after, while, before, in. All these things you can do. You don't the thing that you need to care of is that you don't need to seek help of others. Try to generate ideas on your own, and that's the way you can learn natural communication skills, particularly writing and speaking. So I hope this lecture would be really very useful for you in generating short stories. You can generate more stories like this, and you can make first of all points. As I have given you the points, you can also make points and clues, and then you can write a story expanding those points, and it will be really very beneficial. And in our next lecture I am going to give you the solution of these points and this short story as well. So don't go away and stay tuned. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't done it right now, and also share our channel to your friends and family so that they can get advantage of learning English step by step in instruction with instruction in English as well. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.